Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I will talk one of the very important doubt and many of the candidates are asking related to profile upgradation. That Vaya, how can I upgrade my profile? Suppose I have selected for Ninja or I have been selected for digital, then how can I upgrade my profile? So Ninja से digital या digital से prime आप लोग का कैसे upgradation होगा? So I will talk about complete detail what will the eligibility criteria and when you can expect the update and all those things. So make sure to follow each and every point carefully. Let me give you first of all the brief who are eligible for this. Okay, so profile upgradation is applicable only for the candidates who has been selected earlier. Means either if you have been selected for NQT, means from NQT or from the on campus or from the code vita or from other hiring, if you have been selected for the role, then you are eligible for this. Obvious है, profile upgradation means what? You should be at some profile or you should be selected at some particular things, na? Then only you will be eligible for profile upgradation. So if you have been selected for Ninja or digital candidates, then you are eligible for the profile upgradation. Again, same profile, you know the maximum profile for the TCS is prime. So if you have been selected for prime, then no upgradation of course. Okay, so Ninja के लिए अगर आप हैं तो you can upgrade your profile and digital के लिए तो भी आप कर सकते हैं. Besides that, there are some certain criteria. Okay, so what are the criteria? That you should not fail in BGC and other things. Okay, so if you have done some mistake in all those things, then it might get delay. I'm not saying that you will not get the profile updation mail, but it might be delayed. So be careful in BGC and all those things. I've already uploaded a detailed video related to the BGC, what are the documents required and how it happened and important do's and don'ts. So you can go through all those things. Okay, now coming to next important thing, that important timeline, that when you can expect. Now again saying TCS is a large MNC, you know, this is one of the biggest IT company in the world, not only in India. So when you can expect, it might take, it depend on your location, it depend on your offer letter, it depend on the timeline, it depend on the TCS team. So don't ask that when I can upgrade, means I have been selected on Feb, so can I expect the upgradation mail in the March or April? So no one can tell you exact detail about this because it completely depend on location. आप किस लोकेशन में सिलेक्टेड हुए, कब सिलेक्ट हुए. You might get the profile upgradation mail within 15 days or you might get within 90 days or even 4 to 5 months it take. So it completely depend on that. So main thing what you can do in those important days, that just practice the NQT part, coding things. Okay, because in the exam pattern, means coming to the exam pattern, you will be selected for the TCS tag test. Okay, and that is, you can say, talent acquisition group करके होता है tag का full form. So you will be selected. Okay, and only the coding part will be there and section will be 2 question 90 minutes. So one question that will be easy for 30 minutes and one question that was medium to hard and that will be 60 minutes. So recently I have uploaded the video, I think you can recall, on 3rd March. Shift I have related means uploaded, and many of you are asking that Vaya, was NQT or is NQT is happening now? So no, NQT exam will start from 10th of March. Okay, so after that means NQT basically will happen, but that coding questions which I have uploaded, that will be also helpful for NQT because coding questions में level नहीं आता. So those who are following our playlist now related to coding, related to one shot three job string or number related, then just follow that, and I will suggest just go through all those things. And beside the preparation material which I'm sharing in WhatsApp or Telegram group, that will be enough to crack this exam for either for digital or prime. Okay, so just go through all that. Teachers will not ask so much complex questions. Now it again saying completely depend on their requirement, or if they do some certain changes, then I can't tell you. But yeah, if I can analyze last previous 5 years, then I can clearly say if you will follow those patterns and exam things, it's quite easy and you can solve. Main thing that you should just know how to take input, how to validate, and how to pass the test cases. That's it. Hope now your doubt is clear, that what is the process of profile updation, how it will happen. So you will get dedicated mail. Okay, you need not to do anything, you will just get the mail that do you want to upgrade the profile. So just you have to fill a form, and after that basically same things as per the NQT, you will be allocated a particular center, you have to give the coding test. Again, for certain candidates, means for 2026 or recent graduate, it might happen that you means aptitude भी आप लोग का हो सकता है. Okay, so you might have to give aptitude. So prepare on both things, aptitude as well as coding. Okay, so that's why I'm saying that make sure to listen every point. Okay, otherwise you will say, well, yeah, you have said that we have to just practice coding, but I'm giving you condition na. If you have been selected for 2025 or 2024, means previous year, then you have to just give the coding because they have already judged you on the basis of aptitude. But for 2026 mostly I'm saying, again it change or other things, but mostly आपको भाई दोनों पे कमांड होना चाहिए. होप इन्फॉर्मेटिव टू यू। कोई भी क्वेरी हो फील फ्री टू आस्क हियर, एंड फ्रेंड प्लीज सपोर्ट अस। योर support is important to grow this channel, to help more number of candidates. And if you have been selected for any interview and want to schedule your mock interview with us, then you can also schedule with us. Okay, we will provide you dedicated feedback and guidance for the interview that will basically boost your confidence in real interview. I have already shared a result of various candidates who have been selected for the various roles. So if you want selection, then you can basically fill the form. Thank you. Keep learning, keep growing.